Welcome, yogis. Today we're going to do a gentle yoga. This would be great for beginners or just anyone that wants a nice relaxing flow. So let's get started. We'll go down to our child's pose and just relax and breathe. And inhale to all fours, shoulders over your wrist. Relax your head and your neck. And take an inhale and round up to your cat. Exhaling fully to your cow. Inhale to your cat and draw your chin into your chest. And exhale, release it out. And one more, and round to your cat. Exhale your cow. And let's press back to downward dog. Downward dog, just your arms are outstretched. Your hips are pulling up to the sky. And gently lower your heels down. You can even bend your knees here. I'll try to give you lots of modifications because yoga is just about making it work for you, doing what your body allows, and just lots of breathing to help relax our mind and our body. So let's walk those feet into our hands. Inhale, come up halfway. Bring your hands on your shins. Release back down. Come all the way up. Reach to the sky. Exhale, let's go back down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, back down. Inhale, come all the way back up. Little gentle arch, bring your hips forward. And release out back down. Inhaling back up. Exhale back down. And come all the way back up. Great job. And let's bring our palms together. Take a few relaxing breaths. Maybe just let your mind come to something you're really grateful for today. And just breathe that in. Let's take our right leg back. Come to our warrior one. Left leg forward and bent. Hips rolled open. Breathe. Exhale to our warrior two. Reverse back. Side angle. Bring your left arm to the top of your left leg, and just reach up to the sky. Press your back heel down. Reach. Great job. Bring it back to your warrior two, and then to your warrior one. Let's pedal down just to our downward dog. Try to bring your belly in here a little bit, little tummy tuck in. Pull our hips up to the sky. those feet in. Let's come to a chair pose. All the way back up. Let's do the left side. Take our left leg back. Warrior one. Warrior two. Reverse it back. Reach. Side angle, right arm down. Extend the left arm to the sky. Breathe. All the way back. Great job. Let's roll back to our warrior two or warrior one. And pedal all the way down. Back to our downward dog. And let's take a little gentle hop or bring the right foot around. Just come to our straddle pose. Reaching out for our big toes. And take an inhale. On the exhale, bring your body in. Keep breathing. Palms down to the mat, and now let's gently bring our knees down. Great job. Hands right underneath our shoulders. And take your right leg back. Extend your left arm forward and reach. Bring the right knee down. And take the left leg back. Extend that arm. Release down, great job. And let's just lower back down to our child's pose. All the way back up to all fours. Lowering our body down to the floor. Great job. Let's bring our arms right beside us and bring our chest out. Release out. Palms down. And then press to your upward dog. And release back down. And again, let's try to bring the arms back. Bring our chest up. Maybe bring your legs up too. Release back down. Try another upward dog. You can always do a little cobra and just keep the arms bent. Hips on the ground. And release it back down. Great job. And come up to all fours. Let's bring our legs back around. Take our left leg out. Cross the right leg over for a seated twist. Just hug those knees in close. And then reach the right arm up and gently twist open. Bring it back. Extend the left arm up. Bring the elbow to the outside. Or you can just hug in and twist back and breathe. And release it out. And now release your right leg and cross the left leg over and hug in. And then reach left arm up and twist open. Left arm behind and reach the right arm to the sky. And bring the right elbow to the outside and twist back and breathe. And release out. Lowering gently down. Bridge pose. Press our hips to the sky. And then release down. Relaxing to Shavasana. And just take a few minutes here. Just checking your body from head to toe and relaxing every muscle. Congratulating yourself for taking some time to take care of you, heal your body. When you're done, just roll into one side. Bring your knees in to your fetal position. And then come up to your seated pose. Namaste, everybody. Have a great, blessed day.